Day number 4 of our client communication sales tips. If you're a financial advisor, insurance agent, sales professional, I really believe these communication tips are going to help your client communication soar. Here is tip number 4. Don't educate, translate. Don't educate, translate. Here's the reality. We got to stop drowning our clients in jargon. Okay, all the technical stuff. Unless they're like it's their hobby, all of the wealth, knowledge, and expertise that you have, it it may not wow them. What's going to wow them is the trust that you build with them. So you got to learn how to explain complex information and put it in client friendly language. Because here's the reality: if they don't get it, they're not going to buy it. So do everything you can to stop drowning your clients in all of that jargon. Your job isn't to impress them with complexity, it's to create clarity. No complexity, bring the clarity. So if they don't get it, they're not going to buy it. So translate, don't educate. Because remember, great client communication isn't fluff, it's fuel to grow your business. And it's how you will build trust faster, deepen loyalty, create clients who stay, refer, and believe in your value. So thank you for joining us on today's tip. Go to speakwithpeople.com/speak with your client for a ton of different resources, podcast episodes, our free download, the High Trust Sales Playbook. Get more information. Join us in day 5. Can't wait to see you.